guys, you're highly welcome back to Heminess Stitches channel. Today I'm sharing a tutorial on how to make a ruffle rose. I'll be using this fabric for that. I will be using this steel. I will be using 3.5 is holding half-inch for sewing allowance. That will make it 8. Good. After knowing our measurement, the next thing now you place your tape measure on your fabric like this. Then you find a midpoint that should be on the point 4. That should be on that 4 inches. Here is my own 4 inches point. Then on that point, I'll be marking up like this, the upper side of it. I'll be marking it like this. Then I'll be marking the bottom parts, that is the down parts. Then if possible, I would love to create a line like this for accuracy purpose. Then I will create another one like this so that it will be accurate. So it's of no need to do this. I'm just doing that to make it accurate. So I will place back my tape measure like this. Then I'll be rotating it. I'll make sure that then I'm done with this. Then the next thing, you cut it out. You cut it out like this. Then you will now place this one on another fabric like this. You place it like this. Then you cut it out. As you can see, we have 2 pieces of this now. That's for the circle. I'm going to secure this with pin. You come like this here, then you open it. You know, this fabric I'm using, I need to put gum stay. I'm going to be cutting gum stay for this. So if you are using, I'll be folding my fabric into 3. I've cut this one. I'll be using 5 inches. Then you cut it out. No, I cut just 3. This is the third one. Stitch this place. You stitch it together to form a long row. That's what I'll be doing now. Then I will stitch this one also. Now I'm done with the stitching of this. You have to notch it round so it will make it lay very well. As you can see, the space I left is there, so I'll be turning it out. As you can see, I've ironed all the joining parts. As you can see, we are going to fold it together. If you fold it together like this, just come in like 1.5 inches. Then you draw a curve down. You curve your hand towards the edge like this, so the edge will not be too sharp. So by the time you make your rose, you'll be able to stitch this place, and this place will be blend with the rose edge. I'm doing the same thing to the other edge. Open a stitch right here. From this point, you just open a stitch and I will stitch it down till the middle. Now when I get to a place like this, I will just close the stitch here. I'll close the stitch here. Then I will leave like 1 inch or 1.5. This is 1.5 that I marked here. Just leave like 1.5 inch there. When you open another stitch down like this. This is the reason for this, is where we are going to turn it out. By the time we stitch all finish, we turn it out from this place. I'm doing that to secure the rough edge of the fabric. Now from this middle, you just create a kind of circle spiral like this. It depends on how wide you want it to be. You continue like that. Now I'm done with this. As you can see, to know the length of the fabric we are going to use on this one, and it depends on how you want to make your pleats, then you have to place your tape measure like this. You measure it round. So whatever you get times 3 will give you the length that you are using for the pleating. So now this is the, I've turned the rough edge inside. As you can see now, this is the where I'm going to start my plait. Then you just place this one on the base. This is the base that we made. You just place this one on it like this. Then you make your plait. No, this is how you be. Your plait must be on those lines, those spiral line that you made. That is how you plait it round. If you like, you can make it a kissy plait to still come out fine. I'll be going on machine now and stitch it around. You understand? So, and I'll show us when I'm done with the pleatings.